Hello, we are Tickle Tech and partner with Alan Foster of Solea Water and Mark McKinney of Barge Design Solutions to design an automated water intake valve system in rural Panama. The team designed and tested both a mechanical solution and electrical solution. Engineering disciplines represented were water resources and structural design. One challenging aspect of the project was little information was given regarding the site, therefore the team had to develop their own constraints.
Hey, my name is Elizabeth Morgan. We developed an electrical solution to include a solar panel as the power source, a turbidity monitor to continuously monitor the water, and a solenoid valve to accept electrical signals to automatically control the water intake at the site. A specific challenge for this portion of the project was the requirement for electrical power in the absence of electrical power on site. A tabletop test was performed to verify the accuracy of the turbidity code and the compatibility between the code and valve control.
My name is Isabelle Hamby. The mechanical solution was designed to include a float valve located within the water pipe to the village. The float valve was controlled by the water elevation in the river so that the water flow to the village would be cut off when storm surges occur, protecting existing water infrastructure. A mechanical prototype was created at the University of Tennessee Ag Research Farm at a 40-foot flume. The concept was tested by accumulating water in a control box and seeing if the valve eliminated flow when the water level in the box increased. A cost estimation was completed for the project as well as an operational guide for the community to use when installing the solution. This design process was a learning experience and was helpful in understanding how to work through issues in the field and create an iterative design.
Through our design, our client Solea Water was provided with 2 designs to help improve the quality of life for the rural community in Walla, Panama. The mechanically actuated system helps maintain the current water system's integrity by controlling high water levels. The electrically actuated system addresses the problem of high turbidity by shutting off the flow of the water when there are an unhealthy amount of particles within the water. Both designs can be adapted for future use in other communities that Solea Water works in.
As a team, Tickle Tech learned how to efficiently communicate with our client to understand their design needs and communicate with our mentor to address design feedback. We gained drafting experience in AutoCAD and collected and analyzed data from our prototypes to use within our water intake designs. We efficiently planned and organized our time and learned to adapt our personal schedules to work alongside one another through this year-long project.